Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna, and on today's video I'm pretty much just gonna get to it. I'm going to show you guys basically all the things that I purchased from Amazon recently. They are all gifts. There's two things that I bought for myself, but I bought two of those two things because one's a gift and one is for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. I will link the purchases of the items down below if you're interested in grabbing those. None of this is sponsored, okay guys? Nope, not at all. I just wanted to give you guys some reference, or if you're looking for ideas, because I know this is helpful for me when I'm looking for stuff sometimes. So I just want to be of help, that's all. The first thing I want to show you guys is very unexpected, I would think. This is very random, but I think it's very handy, and I bought myself one as well. And I got a text. It's a fireproof pouch. So it comes in this bag, comes in here in the Ziploc bag. I actually haven't opened it, but obviously I can clearly see it, but I haven't even like touched it or anything like that. And then here's the second one that I got. So again, one is for me and the other is a gift. Okay, that's an interesting material. So it's just black on black. It has a zipper. Bam. And you know, it's a fire. Leah, baby, are you okay? It's my dog over there. She's making noises. Okay, so it's a fireproof pouch. And basically, I feel like a good amount of stuff can fit in here. Anything that's important to you that you might want to protect in here. So passport, pictures, documents, money, you know. I think this is a pretty good size. Obviously you can't fit everything in here, you can't fit the world in here, but a good amount of stuff can fit in here. Look at this. So this is how it looks like. It's just a basic black pouch, you know. It's nothing extremely special, but it seems very handy. So there we go. That's the first gift that I got. Okay, I've been sick lately for like a week, so bear with me guys if I'm coughing here and there. So that's how you're gonna see cuts and stuff. Okay, the next thing I got is a whitening kit, basically a Crest 3D white strips dental whitening kit, and it says it whitens like a professional level treatment. So I purchased two. I purchased one for myself and one is a gift. This by no means means that I'm gifting it to a person saying like, hey, you need this, okay? So I hope the person I give it to won't be offended, and I'm pretty sure he won't be offended, just because I know he's been looking to get some type of whitening product, because I was talking about whitening my teeth and he was curious and was like, how much does that cost and all that stuff. So then I kind of knew that's something he was thinking about doing for himself. So instead of him going off buying it or never buying it but always thinking about wanting to whiten his teeth, I got it for him. So whitening strips. I'm about to wrap this gift, but I really quickly wanted to show you guys this Amazon purchase that I made that I think it's kind of funny and kind of perfect for a white elephant gift, unless you're not a tea person. So, but yeah, so it's this white elephant tea mug. It's literally just a white cute elephant, and in the, you know, you see that hole right there? Obviously the tea goes in here, and then the tea bag ones, you know, you don't want it inside your tea, you can just put it in there. And it's just so cute. The picture looked really cute and I just thought it was so adorable, so I just had to get it. And I thought it was just so funny because I'm doing a white elephant and I'm literally getting a white elephant mug. So I just really want to quickly show you this Amazon purchase that I think is like so fun. To add something extra, I actually got some tea, and I just like put a little nice red bow so it looks all cute and put together. So I'm going to be gifting the tea mug and a little tea set as well, like different types of teas for the person to try, whoever gets this gift. Yeah. And then the next gift I got here is Nike sandals. So it came in an Amazon box, and then the actual Nike box, and I haven't looked at it, because I literally just got it out of, ow, I just hurt myself. Okay, so it's these Nike sandals here. I thought I ordered the black and white ones, but apparently, I don't know what happened, but here they are. I mean, they still look good, so I'm not too mad about it. I'm not mad about it at all. You know, it's something little, but yeah, so Nike sandals, everyone. Some Nike black on black. I thought I got black and white ones, but I guess I didn't. I don't know what happened. I don't know, but it's okay. It's okay. It's just a minor difference. Let me just put it in nice and beautifully. So this is that. So you're hearing squeaking noises right now, and that's my beautiful dog playing with her toy right now. So just in case you're wondering what it is, or if it's a little annoying, that's what it is. But the next gift I got is a record player and also a vinyl record. I don't have it with me right now just because I literally just ordered it about an hour ago, but I'm very excited to get it. I read the reviews, it seems good. So yes, I'll go ahead and insert a picture on how it looks like. And again, I'll link it down below, everything that I purchased recently. And yeah, so I'm gonna move on to the next gift. And then this gift, I'm excited to gift because that means I'll be playing it too. And it's ooh, my hair got stuck on the tree. It's a watch your mouth game. So basically it's like the mouth guard you put in your mouth. Maybe you've seen it like on a show or something. A mouth guard you put in your mouth and then extends your like lips, and then you have to try to read the card, and the other person has to guess what you're saying. At least that's how I think the game works. But I got this board game right here. I thought it would be very funny and very fun to play, so I got this for 2 people basically. It's for 2 kids, but I think it would be fun for all ages because I'm not a kid and I'm excited to play with this. Yeah, okay. So clearly the person receiving this gift loves Sonic. And honestly, for me, it's kind of difficult to find things that have Sonic, like products with Sonic. So when I saw this, I had to get it. So that's that. And then the last thing I'm just gonna throw on there, it's not a gift that I got someone, but it is something that I got for myself. And I think it would be very, very, very awesome to have if it's someone that films a lot, takes a lot of pictures, does YouTube, does photography, or they just love taking pictures and all of that stuff. And that is a hard drive. So I bought this hard drive through Amazon, and it's a 2 terabyte hard drive, and I love taking lots of pictures of my family, of my dog, of everything basically. And I also love to film, and I do YouTube, so my laptop, you know, my laptop only has so many gigs, so I constantly have to like delete videos or delete things in order to get space. And I realized, you know what, it's time to get a hard drive and then, you know, upload everything onto that device. So then, yeah, but I think that's a great gift. So I'll end it on that note. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I feel like there were some randoms, and then there was some like, okay, cool, and there were some it's like, oh, I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Comment down below what you guys thought. And yeah, until next time, until the next video, bye guys. Mwah.